And the final preparations are all set, and there you see that is Rumi 1. That's a rocket which is called as a hybrid reusable rocket that is being taken along by the crew and the actual founder of Space Zone India, Anand Megalingam, who is actually taking this particular rocket to that stand. That is called as a mobile stand. It is the first time in India such a rocket is being taken over. Remember, this rocket is going to be fueled and it's going to be actually moved for, it will actually go to an altitude of 35 kilometers. That is the kind of predicted altitude, even though it can reach up to 80 kilometers. We are really close to the rocket that's been taken over here. It's a private venture, a reusable hybrid rocket, first of its kind, and it's being brought over here at the ECR coast from where it is going to be launched. The very interesting and emotional part is that the actual maker of this rocket is also the one wearing the white shirt who's coming over here to fix the rocket into the hybrid mobile stand over here. This is a place from which it is going to be launched. The entire crew is at the spot and they are helping over with the launch of this rocket. So 35 kilometers altitude, 50 kilograms of payload. However, for now, it's going to carry 3 CubeSat satellites and a lot of Pico satellites. It is a demonstration method, and the very important aspect is that the actual engine here, it is being used is something called as a hybrid engine. It's going to have a liquid and fuel, solid state fuel, and that's what the Anand Megalingam earlier while speaking to us, he said so. You can see over there, that's a nozzle, and this rocket earlier said that it can go up to reach an altitude of 80 kilometers. However, they are constricting it to 35 kilometers because the important aspect here is that this rocket will have to be recovered from the sea, and if it reaches a deep area, it will be much more difficult, and that's the reason it has been constricted to reach only 35 kilometers. You have the beautiful Marina Beach over there, and from there it's going to be launched. Now the team already claims, Mission Rumi 2024 says that all measures and everything has been taken, and finally the rocket has been brought over here and it is ready for launch. This is Daniel, Pramod Madhav for today.